Hey there. Today, we're diving into something truly transformative, using gratitude as a manifestation tool. Imagine being able to unlock your dreams simply by changing your mindset. Sounds intriguing, right? First, let's talk about why gratitude is so powerful. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention from what's lacking to what's abundant. This not only boosts your mood, but also aligns your energy with the universe, making it easier for you to attract what you desire. For example, think about a time when you received unexpected help or a kind gesture. How did it make you feel? That warm, uplifting sensation is gratitude in action. Now, imagine harnessing that feeling every single day. It's like having a magnet that pulls positive experiences towards you. So how do you use gratitude effectively? Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Each morning, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a good night's sleep or a delicious cup of coffee. The key is consistency. Doing this every day trains your brain to focus on the positive. Another technique is visualizing your goals while feeling grateful. Picture yourself already living your dream life. Feel the emotions, the excitement, the joy. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Also, don't forget the power of words. Express your gratitude verbally. Thank the people around you and thank yourself for your efforts. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also amplifies your positive energy. Let's not overlook the impact of gratitude in tough times. It's easy to feel grateful when things are going well, but the real magic happens when you find gratitude in challenges. This shifts your perspective, helping you see obstacles as opportunities for growth. Remember, gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a way of life. It's about appreciating the present moment and trusting that the universe is working in your favor. When you embrace this mindset, you'll find that your dreams start to unfold naturally. So start today. Embrace gratitude and watch how it transforms your life. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Until next time, keep believing in your dreams and keep being grateful. Thanks for watching.